Millions of students walk across graduation stages every year, clutching degrees they spent years earning. But when they sit down for their first technical interview, they face a stark reality. Academic theory doesn't automatically translate into the practical skills employers are looking for. The modern tech industry moves incredibly fast. Frameworks that were industry standards 4 years ago might be obsolete by the time a student actually graduates. This creates the knowledge gap. It's a massive void separating the classroom theories you've memorized from the day-one readiness an IT team expects. Traditional university curricula simply aren't designed to pivot every 6 months to keep pace with enterprise software demands or the latest cybersecurity threats. To cross this void, students need a completely different framework, one that locks academic concepts together with immediate, hands-on industry experience. That specific integration is exactly what EDXcellence was built to provide. This is the EDXcellence platform, structured entirely around the ethos of learning without limits. To understand how this works, let's look at the journey of a typical undergraduate. We'll call him Alex. Alex has the drive, but he needs a direct route from his university library to the server room of a major tech firm. His path from a theoretical vacuum to a Fortune 500 role isn't based on luck. It relies on a heavily engineered step-by-step pipeline. Step 1 for Alex is identifying exactly which corner of the tech market he wants to conquer. This chart shows the core architecture, broken down into 7 highly targeted technical domains. On the software side, students pursue artificial intelligence, full-stack web development, machine learning, and big data science. On the hardware side, cybersecurity, IoT, and robotics alongside VLSI design. Every single one of these tracks is a concentrated 3-month sprint, combining live evening classes with flexible recorded materials. Because the options span the entire modern tech stack, any undergrad can find a specialty that turns their existing academic background into a highly marketable asset. But picking a track is easy. The real value comes from what happens next, applying that theory to actual code. Instead of reading tech specs, students log in after 7 p.m. for live sessions led by industry professionals who currently work at Fortune 500 companies. This format allows for live wireframing, real-time code debugging, and an interaction rate that is 8 times higher than standard recorded lectures. All of this daily mentorship builds toward the final hurdle, the capstone projects. To complete the program, students have to successfully build 2 to 3 major projects, things like functional brain-computer interfaces or complete deployable web applications. By the end of month 3, Alex walks into interviews with a portfolio of enterprise-grade software he built from scratch, offering recruiters tangible proof of his technical capability. Once the skills are verified, the focus immediately shifts to the job market. The platform provides direct career counseling, rebuilds the student's resume around their new projects, and runs targeted interview prep. But the strongest mechanism in place is the partnership network. Exceptional students are matched with guaranteed internship placements at leading tech startups. These internships function as direct professional pipelines, frequently converting into permanent pre-placement offers before a student even graduates. The entire system, from the first line of code to the final mock interview, strips away the uncertainty of graduation and provides a secure ramp directly into the workforce. We don't have to guess if this structure works. We can see the results in the alumni network. Take Shailja, for example. After going through the training and placement pipeline, she secured a position at Fiserv India, firmly landing in the Fortune 500. Or look at Dhruv, who used the platform's guidance to land a role at a global multinational, and Sudipta, who successfully completed a high-level full-stack web development internship. These outcomes show exactly what happens when you stop treating education as just theory and start actively engineering career excellence. If you have the drive, the framework is waiting for you. Visit EDXcellence today